Let's continue with few more MCQs from quadratic equations. Now these questions are based on the nature of roots of quadratic equations. So any quadratic equation can have three possibilities. Either it will have real and equal roots, real and unequal roots, or it will have no real roots, which is same as having imaginary roots. So the first question is very direct. When the roots of a quadratic equation are real and equal, then the discriminant of the quadratic equation is which of the following? So the concept is that when the roots are real and unequal, that means we have two distinct roots, two different real roots, then the discriminant value is positive or which is greater than 0. If the roots are real and equal, we have two real and equal roots, then the discriminant is equal to 0. And if we have no real roots, or if we have imaginary roots, then the discriminant is negative, which is less than 0. So they're asking for real and equal roots, so the discriminant is 0. So option C is correct. Then the next question is the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0 are which of the following? So with the same concept, let's look at the quadratic equation x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Let's compare with the standard form of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Coefficient of x square, here we have nothing, so it is 1. So a equals to 1. Coefficient of x is 2, positive 2, so b is 2, and the constant c is equal to 1. Now the discriminant that we are talking about, discriminant is actually b square minus 4ac. So here we have 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. 2 square is 4 minus 4 into 1 is only 4. It is 0. So when the discriminant is 0, we have real and equal roots. So option B, here it is real and equal. Then the last question, if the roots of the equation are real and distinct, then the value of k is what? So in this quadratic equation, again let's compare the value ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Coefficient of x square term is nothing, so it's 1. Then coefficient of x is minus 6, so b value is minus 6, and the constant is k, c is k. So the discriminant is b square minus 4ac, and they have given that the roots are real and distinct, so the discriminant has to be positive or greater than 0. So if we substitute the values, minus 6 square minus 4 into 1 into k has to be greater than 0. So this is 36 minus 4k greater than 0. Now I can solve this inequation in couple of ways. For example, let me move the 36 to the other side. So minus 4k will be greater than minus 36. Now I need to divide both sides with minus 4. So whenever we are dividing both sides of an inequation with a negative number, the inequality sign will change. So k will be now, instead of greater than, less than minus 36 by minus 4. So k is less than 9. So if I look at the options, option D, less than 9, k is less than 9 is correct.